All right, hello everyone. I just got the my first license plate mount for my 2018 ZL1, and I got this off of Amazon for, I think it was $84. See another car shop in tunes up Camaros out of Houston. They sell it too. Not sure if they put this online or not. But there's a part. That's where it comes in. Comes from Stow and Show. And this mount's pretty neat, where all you do is slide it in and take it off whenever you need to. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Okay, that's what it looks like when it's in. And it snaps in place. And this part right here came with the car. This actually looks like it mounts to the grill. Somewhere's over here or over here. Which I really didn't want to put that up there in front of the grill and cover up all the air going into the car. So all you need, the only tools you need is a knife cut open. These are the two screws that came off from underneath the bumper. Of course, a little wrench to take them off, and then got a little hex screwdriver to line it back on. Can't have longer screws because these are too short, because it needs the spacers. Put it underneath there because you got the little dip. If you can see the spacers there. Alright, now I just need to put my license plate on there. Only thing I'm afraid of, if I hit a curve or hit something on there, this might break off, and so it feels a little loose. But kind of should have gone with the tow hook mount license plate, which I had on my other car, which would have been better, which I think more secure. But like I said, I'll just try and keep the license plate low and kind of out of the way too. So that's all I got. But if you like this video, just this is just a quick video. If you like it, just leave a comment, share, and hope you got something out of this video. Thanks. Bye.